is up? I'm Gears of Snore, and this is 94 North in Pennsylvania, outside of Stroudsburg. Another one of the great rides up here in my touring PA video series. I'm not coming back on Sunday. Don't either of you recommend it. I've been here 2 weekends in a row, 3 times. What's not to like, though? Pennsylvania has some of the most scenic rides I've ever seen. But New Jersey being number one, of course, because I'm biased and I live there. But all jokes aside, both states, fantastic ride. The same with New York. What a great ride today turned out to be. Position myself on the seat here. In case you didn't know, the stock Harley Davidson Pan America seat sucks. And dude down there up to his waist in water fishing. That's a veterinary hospital. I thought that was a church. That's a church. Just like I said in my other video, man, I never get sick of riding this road. I'm out again today with Nico, Laverne, and Ray. If you guys can recommend any good places up in the Pocono area, food and libations, please drop it in the comments. I'm not sure how Nico found this place. We were at Sarah Street Grill in Stroudsburg, PA today. Again, fantastic place. 4 people. We all got meals and drinks, and it was $99. That's unheard of. And everything was cooked to perfection. It was a damn good burger. Definitely gonna be coming back for a burger. Don't be getting your burgers done well either. What's the point? I asked for medium. I got a medium. And it wasn't a skimpy little 4-ounce burger either. You get what you pay for. We just entered Sussex County. So I'm wondering if this is New Jersey or still PA. Not too sure. Beautiful either way. Those are New Jersey plates. Nice ride, 94. Look at the size of that house. driveway alone. Not till you would. You guys enjoying your 4th of July weekend? I know I am. And that's in part to Big Shelia. Get out of here, bug. No free rides. Big Sheila's a one-man woman. That's wild. I didn't realize it was that close. I always see these places like Cesco's and I'm like, I gotta stop there one day, and then I'm gonna forget about it. That's the one good thing about recording these videos. I can be like, oh yeah, I forgot about going back to that place. I think we might actually hit that road I spoke about a couple of videos back where still talking about the dog jumped in the pond and the view is insane. If not today, then definitely another day. Turned off into Newton here. We are getting on 616. Oh, I've been around here. DMV's around here somewhere. Showed up for my appointment. It was the day before. It's like, no wonder I got the appointment so easily. Check this place out. Chunbo. You're on the list, Chunbo. So we crossed over into Andover now. Still nice riding. Fix my ears and the helmet. Not too sure where we're going tomorrow. This far, thank you for watching. Drop my videos every Friday, 3 p.m. ish. And as always, I thank you guys for coming along for a ride with us. Take care, guys.